Hi, today I'd like to demonstrate the Automatic Reports Distribution Manager tool, or RDM tool, for GL-Wand. To demonstrate how GL-Wand automatically distributes reports through the RDM tool, I've got a simple cost center report that I've built using GL-Wand, where I've got my get cost center balance formulae within these columns. What I've done to this report, I've named some cells where I've named this cost center, year, period. I've also named a range of cells given it the name hide, and the reason for doing that will become apparent when I show you the RDM tool. Essentially what that will allow me to do is, within a defined set, it will be able to automatically filter out all the rows that have zero lines in them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this report. I'm going to open up a new spreadsheet, and I'm going to go to my RDM tab. I define the report that I've just saved. I'm going to open up this cost center template report, and when it opens it up, it automatically gives me all those named cells as parameters within the report, including the named range hide, which I want to suppress zeros. So the idea behind RDM is to specify email addresses, we'll give it a more intelligent name than that. Define the output. I can either send this as a PDF, an Excel spreadsheet, either with GL-Wand formulas and drill down enabled, or simply as a snapshot. So I'm going to send this report to myself via email in that format. I can also define a distribution folder. This could be a file share, it could be a SharePoint library, or it could be a Dropbox folder that is shared. So I add that distribution and close here. So what it's done is it's now defined in this area, in this blue area, it's defined what reports I want and what parameters I've chosen. So that's cost center 2300, period 6, etc. And the area in red defines in what format and what the working names are for the report. What I can now do is I can either just copy that row and say, well, I want this report to be for, say, cost center 2100. For, say, period 5, and I can go and give it a more intelligent report name, but I'm just going to call it different name now, just to make it easy to demonstrate. And I'll just call this report 1, and I'll call this report 2. Okay, and these are both going to me. So all I do now is I can save this as a distribution sheet, where I specify again who the report goes to and what parameters for each person, and I can execute this. So what it's doing now is it's going to open up that GL-Wand cost center report, specify the parameters I've defined in the report distribution layout, enter the parameters, run the report, suppress the zeros as I've defined, and save and email the reports to the recipients I've specified. So straight away I'm starting to get the reports coming through in email. I can open up either the PDF version, and we can see there what it's done is it's automatically filtered out all the zero rows, or I can open it in the snapshot version of the Excel spreadsheet, where these are no longer GL-Wand formulas, but it retains the standard Excel formula that I've already had in there. So that's a quick and easy way of distributing a standard predefined report, setting it up as a template, but by specifying different parameters for different users and automatically distributing that report on a regular basis.